Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch Mr.light LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is no display due to panel related fault. Here you can see it's a single core 32-inch Samsung panel with SM4186 DC to DC IC. As usual, here the SM4186 DC to DC IC goes to protection mode. That's the reason for no display issue in this TV. It's because of panel internal shorting in gate signals. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of the panel is short, then it is not repairable. Here you can see these are the gate signal tracks from the left side and the right side of the glass panel. So to repair this panel, there is a temporary solution that we need to cut down the gate signal track either from the left side or right side, and after cutting down the gate signal tracks either from the left side or right side, we need to check the picture. If picture is okay, then do nothing. If picture is not okay, we need to resolve the cutter tracks and cut down the other side. Here we first cut down the right side gate signal track. See friends, after cutting down the right side gate signal track, if picture comes, then do nothing. If picture not come and the complaint remains same, then we need to rejoin the cutter tracks. See friends, after cutting down the right side gate signal track, the complaint remains same. So here we decided to cut down the left side track by rejoining the cutter tracks from the right side. See friends, here we now cut down the left side gate signal tracks. Now in this condition, let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is in standby mode. See, here you can see the final result. Now the picture comes. So here actually the fault is with left side gate signals. Now the shorting is removed and the picture is back to normal. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.